The Brute Cattle Equipment team specializes in top quality cattle handling equipment that's built to last. We design our facilities to reduce stress and processing time while requiring less manpower. Let's take a look. Our Brute 12-foot radius tub is used to get cattle from your approach alley to your working alley and ready for processing. We use solid sides to provide less opportunity for outside distractions. The curve of the tub reduces bruising potential and uses the cattle's natural herding tendencies. Our friction gate brake will catch every 2 inches, eliminating the need for loud, locking metal brakes. Notice how the operator is safely able to operate the gate from the outside of the tub utilizing our catwalks. As they come through the tub, they see this huge 6-foot opening versus a 3-foot standard opening. Having double sides with a lower middle panel once again allows for natural herding with minimal stress. Notice how motivated the cattle are to enter our double alley system. There are adjustable no-backs placed throughout the double alley to keep the forward movement flowing. Our headache rack is 5.5 foot tall to eliminate jumping. The wedge design accommodates different weights of animals without the need for adjusting the alley, which also eliminates the need for loud adjustable wear points.
Our horseshoe design allows for maximum capacity with minimal space requirements, also reducing footsteps between our catwalk and our processing chute. Notice with this system they are able to weigh each animal by using our 4-point fixed hanging scale.
Our design team is ready to work with you in developing a scaled draft of a facility that will fit your requirements and your needs. Reduce stress and faster processing time and less manpower is a surefire way to get money back in your pocket.